Hello, this is Talia Alexiou, sharing wisdom. It's an old tradition I've been sharing every year, only in Greek, but I decided to send it to share it in English also for worldwide. My grandmother, she was Asia Minor Greek um, from Smyrna, she was having a tradition. We have a tradition after we break the pomegranate, which it's a Greek tradition. On the door, we throw money walking the first day of the new year, and we leave it for a couple of days. And after that, we pick up this money from the floor. Okay, this is quarters, or this is dollars actually. And usually I go to the bank and I get brand new money. So it's no other energy there, it's just clean. And then she used to take sugar and rice, the coins, and a cinema stick and put it in a vase and then keep it by the pictures of Christ or the icons of religious icons to be the house to be blessed with an abundance the whole year. And I watch her life. Her life, she never worked, but her children were such a generous and kind to her. And I like that tradition. So I add things in this tradition. So beside the rice, beside the sugar, I add sesame. I read that other traditions use sesame for the seeds, for good luck, for abundance. And then I noticed this woman from Hios, who she told me they put mastiha. For mastiha is chewing actually, and it comes from a tree, and it has so many benefits. So the symbol of this and the money, those are all brand new dollars. So the symbol of this is the money to stick with health in your house. So as me being feng shui, I usually place this in a corner of northeast. Northeast is for your long-term investments, so you don't lose money. They keep producing for you. This is a good year for 88. Also, is the number of long term. It is the macrocosmos and the microcosmos, which is mean the macro and microcosmic is what is above is on the earth. So if we grew up and we know the heaven is gives you anything, so the earth this year is going to give you anything, everything. So stay focused. Also, what I did through the years, I used to put a stick and write 8 times the number 8. 8 times the number 8 is magical. So even the bad times on investments and I lost money, I got it back 3 times. So what I'm saying, it works. I put it together. So put everything in a little vase and then put it on the corner in northeast. I love you all and I wish you a happy, successful year full of blessings. Thank you.